Angelo, a screenwriting major and US veteran from Indiana, is gonna share how he is using his experience in the military to write a new chapter for himself. At NYFA, every student has a story and can tell it through their unique talent, whether that be film, performance, photography, 3D animation, or even video games. Let's hear Angelo's story.
Thanks for the intro, Alex. Hi, everyone. I've always wanted to be a writer, but life took me in a different direction when I joined the military at 18 years old and continued to serve for over 20 years. After leaving the military, I realized that my dream of becoming a storyteller was still possible, and that now I had life experiences to draw from. That's when I decided to enroll at NYFA. I was kind of intimidated about going back to college, but NYFA staff and faculty made me feel accepted from day one. The school has a strong environment of diversity and long-standing support for veteran students. At NYFA, I learned it's important to build rapport along horizontal and vertical networks. NYFA students collaborate with classmates, attend guest speaker lectures, Q&As, film screenings, and theater productions to learn different ways to tell stories. At NYFA, we are storytellers. We are encouraged to share our unique perspective and bring our stories to life through our art to inspire and engage with others. Whatever discipline you pursue at NYFA, you won't just study the history and theory of it, you will experience the practical application of executing the work while also exploring your creativity. That's my story. Back to you, Alex.
NYFA has enrolled approximately 3,000 veteran and military-dependent students, and all 3 domestic campuses participate in the Yellow Ribbon program, which supports college access for veterans and dependents. It's just one way that NYFA makes it possible for aspiring storytellers from all backgrounds and experiences to learn the process of bringing a creative idea to life. Thanks for sharing your story, Angelo.